Spreading toothpaste on the fridge can have several benefits right away. I'll show you those and what to definitely watch out for. Because instead of rubbing toothpaste directly onto the fridge, we want to do things differently and prepare it first. For this, you'll need a small bowl and, as a first step, 250 milliliters of water. Once you've added that in here, we're already moving on to the toothpaste. You should now add about a 10 centimeter long strip of it to the water. Ideally, the water should be nice and warm, by the way, because that helps the toothpaste dissolve better in here. After that, we'll also need some dish soap. Take 2 teaspoons of this, and last but not least, one important ingredient is still missing: baking soda. There should also be 1 teaspoon of the baking soda. Once you have all the ingredients in the bowl, you need to start stirring it through. I always like to use a regular fork for this, as it really helps us break up the toothpaste a bit more. Once everything is mixed together really well, we'll move on to the next step and then straight to the 2 brilliant ways to use it on our fridge. Because now we want to pour the mixture into a spray bottle, it's best to grab a funnel and also a sieve for this so you can strain out any small particles that are still in the mixture. Otherwise, the spray bottle could get clogged. Once everything is in there, put the spray head on and shake it really well before you use it. Now you can go to your refrigerator. The first brilliant use is the rubber seal on your fridge door, because it often gets dirty and can cause the fridge to no longer close properly, which ends up wasting energy. Spray it a little and wipe it well with a damp cloth, then dry it off again. That's how you get the entire rubber seal really nice and clean again. But as promised, that wasn't all. If you also know the problem of your fridge being dirty on the outside and covered in fingerprints, you can spray some of this homemade cleaning mixture onto the outer surfaces and wipe it down with a damp cloth. This way, you can effectively remove even the most stubborn dirt or fingerprints, especially from stainless steel surfaces, and polish them up nicely so they look fresh and brand new again. But did you know, by the way, that since you're at the fridge anyway, you should stick a banknote into the fridge door right after? You'll find out exactly what this brilliant trick is all about and why you must try it in the video you see on the screen now. Click right on it.